For our last question, there's a company and they're making a particular product, and the demand of the particular product is D of X. And the production of the same product is P of X for 12 months, where X is the number of months after January. And for January, we're taking X is equal to 0. And then they have given us D of X minus P of X as a polynomial. And this is essentially a quadratic multiplied by a monomial by another monomial and another monomial. So we have a fifth degree polynomial here, D of X minus P of X. Then find out which months should company reduce production after March. Okay, so reduce production would mean P of X is greater. That means D of X minus P of X should be less than 0. And we are interested in those situations where this curve is less than 0. And so we just try to graph this curve. And x square plus 1 has no real roots. So the only roots here are 2 and 5.8 and 11.6. So our curve is going to look something like, and since a is positive, since the coefficient of the highest power is positive, we will have this polynomial go to infinity as x goes to infinity. And then we have a situation like this. Because it's odd polynomial, it goes to minus infinity here. And there are only 3 roots. There's 2 and 5.8 and 11.6. So we are looking for when is it negative, and that we have to do only in the 0 to 12 range, because we're only looking for the months of 1 year. Actually, even 12 is not correct, because we're starting from 0, we're only going till 11. So if the root is 11.6, then 11 is somewhere here. And if this is 5.8, 6 is somewhere here. And so these are the months where you get negative. Now 6 is not June, it's actually July, because Jan is taken to be 0. So we have July, and then August is 7, then September would be 8, and October is 9, November is 10, and December is 11. And all these months you have the function being, the polynomial being lesser than 0. So these are the months where they should reduce production. And they're mentioning after March. If we looked at it before March, then you would also have to consider January and 0 and 1, which is January and February. But since they're specifically saying after March, this is the set of months where the company should reduce production.